In this video, I will show you how you can move money from your Crypto.com Visa card to your Fiat wallet. Transferring funds directly from your Crypto.com Visa card back to your Fiat wallet within the Crypto.com app is not currently supported. Once the funds are loaded onto your Crypto.com Visa card, they cannot be moved back to your Fiat wallet. The main ways to access these funds are through spending or ATM withdrawals. You can use your Crypto.com Visa card for purchases anywhere. A Visa-type card is accepted by simply entering your Crypto.com Visa details and completing the payment. That is the first method. The second option is ATM withdrawals, which allow you to take out cash from an ATM. And each card tier includes a monthly free ATM withdrawal limit, after which a 2% fee applies. For example, the Ruby Steel card offers a $400 monthly fee-free limit. These are the methods available for using the funds on your Crypto.com Visa card.